We gather here today to talk about lashes. So I am here to give you beautiful ladies some tips and tricks that have helped me along the way for applying false lashes. I know I sing terrible. You don't have to tell me. Before we dive in on the tips and tricks, I'm going to show you what I use. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, I'm going to show you a couple tools that I use to help me. So I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up this kit. It came with two things. It came with tweezers. I also like that they have the flat tip and these cute little scissors here. Okay, so obviously this is going to be to trim the lash to your lash length. Always going to need a pair of scissors. The pair I'm going to apply today I do not have to trim, and that's why they're my go-to favorites. Now with a very dark, your darkest black eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that black shadow as my eyeliner because I don't really want to do eyeliner today, but I also want my eyeline to match with the strip of my lashes. So I'm only putting that where the lash line is going to be. I already have mascara on my eyelids because I don't put mascara on afterwards, so it doesn't ruin my lash, because I like to reuse my lashes quite a bit. Phew, excuse my acne. I'm going in with the House of Lash, and this is in Siren. Now as you can see, this lash band, a thin lash can sometimes be more difficult to put on or sometimes easier. You just never know. You always just have to play with your lashes. And always practice, because even drugstore lashes, you can get more than one wear out of the lash. Once we really get that lash really bendable, we will go ahead and use the only lash glue that I use. Now I have an even lash band of glue. It's not too much, not too little. And we are gonna go and give that like a good couple minutes. The goal is to get it to where it's tacky. So we want it to be dry and tacky. If you even want to put that lash down and start to glue on your second lash, feel free. We're placing that lash directly in the center of our eye. We're going to do the same with this one. It's dry and tacky. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Remember to get that sticky, tacky, wet band of your eyelash to the center of your eyelid, and then you can push in the sides afterwards and hold those sides into your eye as long as you need to for that glue to settle on your lash line where you want it. I hope this was enough tips for you, and I hope it works. And you know, you're just gonna have to play. You're gonna have to play and find the lashes that work the best for you. Woo! Love you guys!